Welcome everyone, this is AppTech Pro. Today is June 6th and I have a iPhone 7 that I'm going to be replacing the screen. It's pretty cracked up, as you can see. Everything still works. So I'm going to go ahead and replace that screen and then also put a tempered glass and the water seal on there for him. So as always, I'm going to go ahead and start the timer, speed up the video, and then show you the final result after. So I hope you enjoy the video. And we are done. So, brand new iPhone 7 with the water seal. And it looks brand new again. So as I said, I'm going to go ahead and put the tempered glass on there as well. I think this is a refurbished phone. He said he's never had it repaired before, but there was a missing screw. And it had a little mark on it. That's why you saw me take a picture. So anytime I see a missing screw or anything like that, I take a picture and then show the client afterwards. So if you need an iPhone repair, screen repair, battery, anything Apple related, we work on. Even if you needed the phone unlocked to go to AT&T, T-Mobile, Boost, Simple Mobile, things like that, we do everything. I'll post a link in the description below to our website. Again, thank you for watching. I'll be making a lot more videos shortly. And as always, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back soon. Thanks again.